Hello dear students, today we are going to learn supplementary lesson from your 7th standard English book, Unit 3 Supplementary, Taking Bully by the Aunts. Dear students, in this lesson we are going to learn about students of 7th standard, the same class and age of yours. Come, let's move on to the video session.
Dear students, today we are going to learn Unit 3 Supplementary, Taking the Bully by the Horns. The story is by Tulir, Center for the Prevention and Healing of Child Sexual Abuse, Chennai. First, let's see the characters of the story. Ajay, he seems to be the main character who draws attention from others by his activities. He bullies others. Here bully means hurt others by words or action. So Ajay bullies, teases or makes fun of his classmate Anu for her height. The next character is Anu. Anu is the shortest girl in the class. And next is Meena, Anu's classmate, who understands Anu's feelings and Ajay's friend. Okay, now let's see what is bullying. It's the behavior of a person who is habitually cruel, insulting, threatening, hurting, or frightens others who are weaker, smaller, or less powerful, and often forcing them to do something they don't want to do. Okay, so what is bullying? It's the behavior of a person who is habitually cruel, insulting, threatening, hurting, or frightens others who are weaker, smaller, or less powerful. Okay, children, now why do people or students bully others? Actually, there are different reasons. First reason is that seeking popularity. They wanting to dominate others and improve their social status, that is seeking popularity. Next one is that low self-esteem. Some having low self-esteem, difficulties with help and schoolwork. So second one is low self-esteem. Third one is feeling angry or frustrated and unable to balance their feeling, so they bully others. Third one is feeling angry or frustrated. Fourth one is struggling socially or having peer pressure. Fourth one is struggling socially or having peer pressure. Fifth one is just for pleasure. So they bully others just for pleasure. Dear students, now we know what is bullying and why do people or students bullying others. Now let's enter into the story. Ajay behavior towards Anu. Ajay bullies, teases or makes fun of his classmate Anu for her height. He hurts her by keeping her nickname or by patting on the head to show how short she is. Anu feels very much hurt or sad, but she remains silent and never says anything. Meena, Anu's classmate, knows that Anu feels hurt when Ajay teases her, but she does not speak anything because she does not want to upset her friend Ajay. Ajay also knows that Anu is upset or not happy about his behavior towards Anu, but Ajay continues to bully her or tease her for two reasons. First reason is that it gives him a feeling of control. That is, he is trying to show his power. The next reason is he enjoys the attention he is getting from others who laugh instead of telling him to stop. That is, seeking popularity. These are the two reasons why Ajay teases or bullies others. Children, what are the ways to bully others? Number 1, violent eating. Number 2, refusing for games. Number 3, abusive words. Number 4, targeting repeatedly to hurt. And number 5, spreading false story. Bullying need not always be violent like hitting someone or verbally abusing them. If a group of children always refuse to include a particular child in their games, that is bullying too. Or if you spread stories about someone, it causing them sadness. It's quite simple. If through your actions you target someone repeatedly to hurt them, it is bullying. Ragging is another word for bullying. And very important thing, you have to know that our actions always have consequences. Dear students, have you heard of the term peer pressure? Our peers are people like ourselves, usually by age or common interest. Your classmates and friends are your peers. Sometimes you can find yourself disagreeing with something that everyone is doing, but you also end up doing it because you don't want to be the odd one out. So, what is peer pressure? You don't agree with other opinion, but still you are forced to pretend or act as if you like it. For example, praising a movie, ragging or teasing others, even if you don't want to do it, this huge pressure to act like everyone else. Now let's move on to the next topic, struggles of bullied or affected. Normally, children who are bullied feel dejected and insulted in front of others. They lose their confidence, feel loneliness, and isolated. They are mostly targets appearance like fat, thin, and their clothes always so loose, and abilities like talking, playing games, writing, and family or social status. These such commands can affect the bullied person so much that it can even have an effect on their health and their daily routine. They may not feel like eating, fall sick more often, get nightmares, or find it difficult to fall asleep. Concentrating on their studies can be difficult. They can even get injured if the bully uses physical force on them. Being bullied can also make them develop other problems with their own behavior. They could become very withdrawn, stop talking with people around them, or they could display extreme anger suddenly. Sometimes a child who is bullied can end up bullying someone else just to feel better. Children, can the bullying stop, and how? We can stop bullying by informing it to a responsible person like parent or teachers or anyone who can handle the problem. Proper counseling will make them understand these unacceptable behaviors. The best way is empathy. That is, when you feel for others, the less you will want to bully, which means the more you feel for others, the less you will want to bully others. Sometimes children hesitate to complain about bullying because of a sense of loyalty. They feel that complaining to an adult about peers would get them into trouble. Some feel they would lose their friendship of the bullying person. Situations like bullying required intervention because the bullying person also needs help to come out of it. In this lesson, not only Anu but also Ajay needed help to come out of bullying behavior. So, dear children, as children, don't tease or hurt anyone by your words or actions because neither good for you nor for others. And if you bullying, stop it immediately with the help of elders like parents or teachers. Nowadays, in many schools, colleges, and job spots have strict rules to prevent bullying, but it can still happen. We have to stop bullying for a safer or more peaceful world. Thank you.